Assalamu alaikum Khan brother, how are you? Alright, so this is a short video I'm just creating to explain you about the booking system. So first of all, this booking system will be added to your own server. As you can see that it's not on third party, it's on the main domain. Alright, so this server will be yours. So after that, when I click on this sign in button, okay, and it's going to take me to the dashboard. So this is actually the whole dashboard looks. Alright, so it's like take few seconds to load. Okay, so here are all the bookings. Okay, the clients have like in all days, these are all the bookings. Okay, we can see they are like and also you can see with the different colors. So basically this uh, blue button mean confirm, green button mean completed and confirmed, and the rest on, and the red color says job rejected. If we didn't able to cover the job, we can just, and from this section, like as you can see my mouse, we just click on, we can confirm the job, cancel the job, and there are a few other changes we can do, all the like. And client will receive an automatic email, sorry about that. The client will receive the automatic email that your booking has been cancelled with us, it's confirmed with us, all that things. Okay, so as you can see that all this client like have the option for all the like paid options, like there is no cash option, only client can book if he pay upfront. Okay, so all the booking you can see are paid. So apart from it, if you want the full booking information, so here are the full booking information. Like we can see everything, where the passenger is, pickup point, drop off location, date, time, name, user, everything here. Then there is like booking section, you can see what bookings you have to cover in next 24 hours, what are the latest booking, complete, cancelled, all calendar. And in calendar we can track all our bookings, like from last year or from last 2 years, 5 years, whatever bookings we have. Okay, so this is basically the calendar, we can track all our bookings of previous years. Then there is a section of settings. In the settings we can change the prices, like distance and time price. We can set price from like according to miles and for the time as well, for per minute price. Then there is fixed price means from point A to point B. For example, from Heathrow to Central London, we can set a fixed price. For Heathrow to like specifically postcode wise, like from Heathrow to, for example, BS16, we can set a separate price, that from Heathrow to BS16 only you have to show this price. Then this is like deposit payments. Payments are actually like if you want that you don't want to accept the cash payment, and client have to deposit like something like 50%, 20%, something before the booking. So this is for the deposit payment. Then this is night surge, I hope so you're familiar with night surge. And then this holiday surge, like you can advance select the holiday surge, like for Christmas and New Year you can set your price according to that difference. So there are like few holiday surge, multiple ad. Then there are like additional charges. In additional charges there are like few extra charges for like meet and greet service, child seat and booster seat. So you can select these options as well, and this will automatically be added into your booking form whenever someone select any of these service, like meet and greet service, child seat, booster seat. So these price will automatically added to the client total price. So then there are parking charges, like you can set up different parking charges for the client. Like there is no parking charges right now, but we can set the parking charges, pick up and drop off for all the airports. Then there are a few discount coupons. Right now there are no discount coupon, we can offer discount coupon to our clients as well, so they can book us easily. So sorry, they can book it easily, like so they can get discount as well. And there are like few other discounts. We also offer like customer accounts. So in customer account, if anybody had a customer account with us, we can offer like you can get 5% discount if you had a account with us. So and also on return journey, as you can see that at this point this says return journey discount, so we can also offer return journey discount. And okay, and there are like all the other option, like languages option, booking widget, Google, these are like own option. Payment, online payment, we accept online payment, like client book you and they can pay you online as well. And there are like many other options. If you have time, like today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, So you can share my screen with us, so we can cover. I will explain you everything on call. That will be much better. And as you can see that at the top, this client have like different 4 to 5 websites for Bristol area. So you can see that all the websites are linked to one dashboard. So if you have like different websites, so you can link this one website. So there are like many other options. So if you have like any specific requirements, so you can let me know, so I will guide you with that as well. Okay, so there are like few restricted areas as well where you don't want to cover the journey. Anyway, that's it. I think the video is going too long. It's around 6 minutes, so you can have a look into this as well, and after that you can like contact me, so I will explain you everything on call. All right, thank you so much, Khan brother.